Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use oxygen gas. First, it's crucial to understand why you need oxygen therapy and what it aims to achieve for your health. Next, we'll explore the various ways oxygen can be delivered to you, from simple devices to more advanced systems. Always remember to strictly follow the personalized instructions provided by your healthcare professional for safe and effective use. This guide will help you navigate your oxygen therapy with confidence. Let's look at common ways oxygen is delivered. Nasal cannulas are often used for lower flow rates, typically providing 1 to 6 liters of oxygen per minute through small prongs in your nostrils. For higher needs, oxygen masks can deliver up to 15 liters per minute, covering your nose and mouth. Portable oxygen concentrators are also popular, offering excellent mobility and convenience, allowing you to maintain an active lifestyle while receiving your prescribed oxygen therapy. Safety is paramount when using oxygen. Always keep your oxygen equipment at least 5 feet, or about 1.5 meters, away from any heat sources like stoves, heaters, or open flames. It is absolutely critical that no one smokes near oxygen equipment, as oxygen can intensify fires. Furthermore, ensure all oxygen tanks are stored securely in an upright position to prevent them from tipping over, which could cause damage or injury. Proper care ensures your oxygen equipment works effectively. Make it a habit to regularly inspect your oxygen tubing for any kinks, cracks, or damage that could impede oxygen flow. Clean your nasal cannula or mask according to your healthcare provider's instructions, typically with mild soap and water, to maintain hygiene. If you notice any issues or malfunctions with your equipment, do not attempt to fix it yourself. Always contact your oxygen supplier or healthcare provider immediately for assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.